for attending the Greenshades and Crestwood ISV Webinar Blitz. I want to give a special thank you to Crestwood and Associates for giving us the time to speak to you today. We are going to be covering the Greenshades Payroll HR Solutions. Quick introduction for myself. My name is Will DiGiovanni. I'm a payroll account executive here on the sales team. I've been with Greenshades for just celebrating my 6-year anniversary last month. I've worn a few different hats here on the sales, customer service support side. And before we get started with the Greenshades solutions, we're going to cover a quick top trends of 2022 and what we could possibly expect moving into next year. So we've all heard this term now, the non-recession recession, as unemployment is still low, yet interest rates are increasing. So we could see here that we're at a 50-year low, but with the inflation rate, interest rates increasing to really causing a more true rate of unemployment that's much higher than anticipated. And we can see this rate increasing into next year, where right now the Fed is, positioning us to have that recession mid-year of 2023 if these trends continue. Even though unemployment is low, recently we have seen some very large public layoffs. Meta, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, they've all laid off thousands of workers in the tech industry. We've also seen a number of personal fallout from some of these executives, causing turmoil within their company. And of course, the newest term, quiet quitting. As we still are somewhat involved in the COVID world and employees are still working possibly remote or a balance of both, we have seen worker engagement as well as productivity decrease amongst workers. And the stats are a little different between the different age groups of workers. We can see here that 30% of workers aged 25 to 40 are less engaged as opposed to some of the older, more tenured workers in organizations. And all this stress is affecting workers. As I said, engagement is very low among workers, especially workers that are remote or not in office. Those are things that our solution can solve for. All right, and now we can talk about the Greenshades Payroll and HR platform. All right, so we are celebrating our 20th year anniversary. And if you haven't heard of us before, we are problem solvers in the payroll and HR space. For years, we've been an add-on piece to existing payroll solutions, whether it be tax and compliance, HR, time and labor management. We've been kind of involved in all aspects of payroll and HR. And over the last 5 years, we've combined all of our solutions into one SaaS-hosted payroll and HR platform. So the newest piece offering is the ability to process payroll all the way to net and gross. So we offer a online hosted fast modern payroll solution. So all of your payroll activities can be streamlined through the Greenshades payroll. It's very simple, very compliance focused. So all you have to do is go in, follow instructions, and you're able to easily process your payroll. Now, I said we are very compliance heavy, and we are. We have things like automatic tax code assignment, all tax rate compliance changes throughout the year are automatically programmed in. You're able to set up all of the unique overtime rules throughout the country, priority ranking on garnishments, all sorts of kind of advanced compliance built into our solution. So you're not having to be a payroll expert yourself. We are the experts, and we're giving you the platform to navigate your processes. We do have a number of integrations into Dynamics, Acumatica, Sage Intacct, as well as the ability to create any GL file format you may need to whatever accounting solution you may be in. Another offering we have is full benefit administration. Our benefits piece handles everything from employee enrollment all the way to filed feeds to carriers. So our system can do all of the eligibility tracking as well as the ACA compliance. So you're able to set up your measurement stability periods. You're able to set up your different eligibility rules around your different plans or offerings. Our system has the ability to track all of that. As far as the ACA, at year end, we can actually create the 1095C tax form for you. From there, give you options of posting online or physical print and mail services. Now, the benefit of using our benefit platform is that everything does work cohesively into the payroll piece. So as employees opt in, enroll into benefits, and you approve those elections, it would automatically apply those deductions to the employee card, thus saving you the time of having to map that yourself. And again, we do offer EDI feeds to all of the carriers as well, so we can easily transfer the data over to your providers to enroll employees. Now, our solution starts at the onboarding level. So you are able to create as many onboarding workflows as you'd like for your different employee segments. So you would have a kind of basic hourly package, executive, workflow, management, filter by certain locations. You're able to create all the necessary steps an employee may need to go through onboarding. Our solution already has federal state withholding forms, direct deposit setup, a base HR profile piece, and then we give you the option to upload your own custom documents. So those might be things such as a company policy, a handbook, a waiver that may need to be signed, reference documents. There's no real limit you can put on that. You can put as many custom documents as you would like. We do offer fillable PDF options, so if you would like to create fillable forms, that is something we support. Okay. Now, we also offer employee self-service, which handles kind of that employee engagement I spoke to earlier. A lot of employees aren't feeling engaged with their organization. They may be using multiple communication tools or systems to handle their processes. That can be condensed into one, the Greenshades solution. So through our employee self-service portal or through our mobile app, both on Android and Apple, give you the ability to engage with your employees and give them the ability to complete the necessary tasks they may need to. So through our portal, employees can receive their earning statements, tax forms, managers can check in on employee time or time off request. There's all sorts of services that could be hosted here on the employee portal. Other things such as certification license management. That's one of our newest offerings. So if there's any specific training or a license that you have expirations or need renewals, those can all be set up and tracked within our solution and send out the correct notifications to all parties involved when those expirations are happening or when those renewals need to happen. Now, we also offer a learning management and applicant tracking tool. Those are done through our partners at LearnUpon and Jazz HR. In fact, Greenshades has a full marketplace of partners handling all sorts of payroll HR related services. So we would definitely ask you to check out our marketplace partner page. There may be something that you're currently needing that may not be supported directly through us, but through our partnership that all have direct integrations into our solution. Time and labor management, we offer a few different ways of collecting that data. All of our services are software based. So we have multiple ways for employees to enter their time, whether it be online through the employee self-service portal, through our mobile app, or our time kiosk. Employees can easily enter in their daily activities, their daily clock in and outs, time off request, certain holiday pays can automatically be configured through the time and labor management tool. Now, this does have workflow approvals that can go from employee to managers to administrators, all flowing upwards into the payroll module. So there's no sort of physical activities needed other than clicking a button and moving the data onward. Now, tax and compliance is probably where most of you on this call know us from. We've been supporting tax filing for 20 plus years now, all the way from the local, state, federal level into some more employee-related tax filing, such as the 1095C, new hire, EEO reporting. Those are all tax pieces we support through Greenshades and through our platform. Year-end forms, pretty pertinent right now as year-end is upon us. Every year, we distribute millions of tax forms, whether it be the W-2 for employees, 1099 for vendors, or the 1095-C for the Affordable Care Act. We can take the data in different formats, whether we have a direct integration into your accounting solution, or you possibly have a flat file option. We can take the data, create the forms. From there, we can post the information online for employees for the W-2 and the 1095-C. We also offer a print to mail service. So if you don't feel like stuffing envelopes all of January, you're stressed out enough, that is a service we can offer to you. We also do give you the ability to download the forms yourself if that is a route you would like to choose. And this year, we are offering 20% off on year-end forms and our e-file option if prepaid by December 31st. So if you are looking to get some pricing quotes, please reach out to Crestwood. They'll be able to put you in touch with the correct sales team here at Greenshades. They get you that pricing information. We do have full reporting as all the payroll HR processes are happening here on Greenshades. It will only be appropriate to give you the ability to report off that data. So we do have a full intuitive reporting system where a lot of reports are already created for you, specifically around payroll HR. They can be further customized, so there is the ability to create customizable templates and just rerunning reports based on the new data. We also offer a large workspace data export. So if you would like kind of an all-encompassing report that you could combine with outside data, sales data, upload it to Power BI dashboards or other analytical systems to do further customized reporting, that is something we can do for you. And the Greenshades difference. We really see ourselves as problem solvers in the payroll and HR space. All of our software is built in-house, and it's all built directly from feedback that you, the client, provide. So we definitely want to support our clients, make sure we're building a platform that solves for the issues you're having today and possibly into the future. So I did give a little shout out here to the Greenshades year-end forms discount. So again, any prepayment made by December 31st, you're available to a 20% discount. And then in honor of our 20th year anniversary, we are offering 20% on first year license for the unified payroll and HR platform. So 2 separate sales promotions going on here through the end of the year. So I want to thank you for giving us the time here to speak today. And again, thank you to Crestwood and Associates for putting this on. I know it's a very quick overview. There's a lot more talking points we could be had. So if you are interested in any of our solutions, again, please feel free to reach out to Crestwood and they will put you in touch with the correct members here at Greenshades, where we could schedule discovery calls as well as demonstrations here through the end of the year. So you may take advantage of some of the special promotions we have going on. And if there are any follow-up questions, you'll be getting the email here later today. Feel free to reply back with anything we may be able to answer for you.